Go to Garage Repair Dashboard to see the dashboard of the garage. Click on Service Option button, and then select on All Job Card to see the job card details. Click on New Option button. Start by filling out the complete form, including the customer's name, selected vehicle type, workshop information, and all relevant service package details. Once the initial section is completed, click on the Next button to proceed. In the following step, enter the package name, add any additional descriptions or notes, and review the information to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, click the Save button to confirm and store all the entered details. Then click on Garage Repair Dashboard option and see New Services Request finally added. Select New Service Request, review all the filled-in details carefully, and once everything is correct, click the Confirm button to finalize the request. Click on Garage Report Dashboard button and check Totally Services Request Confirmed. Next, click on the All Job Card section. This will open a detailed list of all job cards that have been created in the system. Each job card contains important information such as customer details, vehicle information, assigned technician, service type, and the current status of the repair. This view helps you manage, track, and monitor every job efficiently. Then click on Garage Repair Dashboard option and see Garage Management Dashboard data. Then, click on Total Workshop to access a comprehensive overview of all workshop areas within the garage. It helps you understand how each workshop is functioning, monitor performance, and ensure smooth coordination across different service bays. Click the Garage Dashboard button to finalize the stage finished details. Navigate to Services Operation button and select Job Card option. Then click on Total Request Confirm to see the No of Request Confirm. Then select Garage Dashboard button and see All Request Confirm. Manage and confirm service requests. Go to Service Operation and click on Service Request. Go to Vehicle Receive It option and click it. Select U Vehicle Job Card No and select Diagnosis button. Check Job Card No and fill vehicle diagnosis details. And click Save option button. Go to Garage Repair Dashboard button and see Total Job Diagnosis. Then click on Configuration, select Job Card Numbers. And go to Checklists option to see the checklist. And select checklist template types like engine oil change, oil filter replace, filter cleaning, full service checklist etc. Required services select and click Done option. Required services type select and click Done option. And then click on Confirm option button, save it details. Then click on Checklist Done option. Next, click on the Configuration menu and select the Checklists option. Here, you can view all the available checklist templates along with their detailed information. Open the Configuration and select Service Packages section to explore and manage all the service packages available for customers. Here create new packages, update existing ones, or deactivate outdated offerings to ensure customers always have access to the most relevant and up-to-date options. Click on Services option button and select Services Request option. Click on Vehicle option button and select Vehicle Model Type. Select Vehicle Types. Click on Garage Repair Dashboard option. Finally, go to View Ongoing and Completed Jobs, check technician details, and track progress efficiently.